Projectile motion. An object thrown into space with some initial velocity and then allowed to travel freely under gravity is called a projectile. For example, a bomb dropped from an aeroplane. A cricket ball hit by a batsman. Motion of an object projected with velocity v0 and angle θ0 is shown in figure. The path of a projectile is a parabola. Time of flight of projectile is Tf is equal to v0 sin θ0 divided by g. Maximum height of a projectile is hm is equal to v0 sin θ0 square divided by 2g. The horizontal distance travelled by a projectile from its initial position to the position where it passes y is equal to 0 during its fall is called the horizontal range. Horizontal range of projectile is given by product of v0 square and sin 2 θ0 divided by g.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.